What's up guys, this is your man GidK once again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set your camera's ISO to 50. So in my previous video, someone made a request I should show them how to set their camera ISO to 50, and the request was made on the Canon ES6D. Yes, but the process is pretty simple, or it's pretty similar to any type of camera. Yes, so in this video I'll be showing you the benefits of shooting ISO 50 and why I myself shoot ISO 50. Yeah, so stay tuned. All right, so this is the back of my Canon ES6D. Yes, this is pretty much the interface, but like I said, you can do this on any kind of camera. Yes, it's just that the settings is kind of different a little. Yeah, so on the 6D, this is the Canon ES6D. Yes, so if you have the same camera, you can follow along. Yeah, so you have to go to the menu aspect. When you go to the menu aspect, just walk through till you find ISO speed settings. Yeah, so let's say you are here, then you move to ISO speed settings. Yeah, so you have to just select it, and then you come to ISO speed range. When you come to ISO speed range, mine is already on 50, but if yours is not already on 50, you are going to see 100. So it's going to be something like this. It's going to look like 100 to 25,600. Yeah, so if you want to set it to 50, you just have to click on it or press on it, and then you come to the minimum aspect. Yeah, then you select, you go down on the dial, so 50. Yes, it's going to tell you ISO speed will switch to ISO 100 in movie shooting. So you can't shoot ISO 50 whilst recording video on the Canon ES6D. Yeah, it's only for images. Yeah, and then once you are done, you just press set, and then you move the dial to OK. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, and then you can shoot. So now when you come to your ISO and then you move up there, you can see the L. The L stands for ISO 50. Yes, so that is it. It's going to reflect here as well, and then now you can shoot. Yeah, so thanks for watching today's video, and peace out.